Hi, I'm Rachelle, an herbalist, holistic health practitioner, and the founder of Supernatural. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a nootropic trail mix. So nootropics are another way of describing herbs, supplements, foods, compounds, things that are great for our brain. This recipe is designed for those times of day when you want something to snack on, munch on, and you're also feeling the sort of lethargy or the lowness or the brain fog or this kind of, what is it? I don't know what it is. So the brain boosting benefits that come from this trail mix are primarily in the form of rosemary and cordyceps. Let's talk about cordyceps first. Cordyceps are technically a mushroom and a caterpillar. So what that means is the spores of the cordyceps land on a caterpillar and soak in, and over time grow, eventually mummifying the caterpillar. When the caterpillar has then crawled into an environment that is hospitable, let's say, the spores of the mushroom sprout out of the caterpillar's head, and the mushroom is alive and happy, and the caterpillar is not. So none of that really has to do with why this trail mix is nootropic, but it's kind of an incredible fact. The cordyceps mushroom is one of the best known for energy enhancement. So all medicinal mushrooms are immunomodulators, which means they help modulate our immune system, so that's an added benefit. They can be neuroprotective and antioxidant and have all of these other great benefits. But specifically for energy, cordyceps is the one that we tend to go to. One of the ways that cordyceps helps support energy is by increasing ATP production. Cordyceps also enhances our cells' ability to use oxygen. So very important for brain circulation and cognitive function. Also very important for overall body oxygenation and the whole process of breathing, circulating, and thinking clearly. Also in this trail mix is rosemary. Rosemary is my personal favorite herb for use in the afternoon. When I want to pick me up, when I'm not going to have caffeine, when I just need a hit of clarity, I go to rosemary. And it turns out that people have been doing this for thousands and thousands of years. So ancient Greek scholars used to study with rosemary, wearing it or having it nearby to help support memory. It's pretty common to hear about the benefits of rosemary for memory, for cognition, and again, for sort of brain clarity. This comes in part from its ability to increase circulation throughout the body and especially in the brain. It's dilating capillaries, which has that same action of sort of moving the oxygen throughout all of our systems. There are places in the world, there's one place in particular where they grow all of these different varieties of rosemary and some of the most potent rosemary in the world. And people there are living late into their 90s, over 100. And when studied, the studies come back that the minds and also the libidos of these folks are equivalent to 50-year-olds, 55-year-olds. It's phenomenal, and it's been credited to the rosemary. All right, so we've got our rosemary, we've got our cordyceps, we have lots of other great ingredients in this trail mix. Let's make it nootropic trail mix. Let's go. 1.5 cup raw almonds, 1/4 cup tamari. Soak almonds in tamari for 20 minutes. Bake at about 300 degrees for 20 minutes. 3 tablespoons sesame seeds. 2 tablespoons Dulse flakes. 1/2 tablespoon Shichimi seasoning. 1/2 tablespoon ground or powdered rosemary. 1/2 tablespoon medicinal mushrooms. Date syrup or maple syrup, which is also optional. Mix the almonds with powdered spices and herbs. If needed, you can also bake the mixture again for a few more minutes to help the herbs stick to the almonds. Here it is, nootropic trail mix. So incredible for our brains and so delicious looking. Let me see, I'm gonna make the perfect bite with some berries, seeds. Okay, so that's amazing. That is salty, spicy, sweet, crunchy, and great for my brain also. Too much. Delicious. Like the Dulse gives you like this, umami, and then the berries and the nuts. Wow, careful with this one, guys. So delicious. For more episodes of plant-based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.